What is VLOOKUP in Excel and how to use it, and how to do VLOOKUP in Google Sheet Excel online course. Here you can see the example how to do VLOOKUP in Google Sheet. Once we change the employee ID, so it will be appear the data as the employee name, date of joining, date of birth and salary. The second example is very important and very different from others, the double VLOOKUP. Here once we change the employee name and the month, so we will get the exact value which we are looking for. So here you can see once we change the month as Feb, so the Feb value will be appear. So this is the double VLOOKUP. So double VLOOKUP is very important, and it will be discussed in this video. So watch full video to understand double VLOOKUP. As you can see, once we select the month and the name of the employee, so the exact required value will be appear in our double VLOOKUP. So let's start the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Find free Excel online course mjonlinehometutor.com. To open a Google Sheet, search Google Sheet on Google. Then you can click on Google Sheet signing, and once you click it, it will be open a blank option, so you can open a blank file. VLOOKUP in Excel and how to use it, and how to do VLOOKUP in Google Sheet Excel online course. VLOOKUP is when you want to extract data from a table based on a specific value or information. You can use VLOOKUP to get the relevant information or value from the table. In simple terms, VLOOKUP at the specific predefined table in the first column for a particular value or information and give the output in a cell in the same row where you choose the column or to return from. First, understand the simple example how to do VLOOKUP in Google Sheet. This video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. In first example, we are looking up the employee name with the help of ID. So VLOOKUP formula, we are trying to search the key. Search key is ID. So we are giving the address as 6 here. Range is we have as here you can see the range of available. We have available A62 E16. So we have selected the range, and now we have to give the index number. The index number is 2 for this employer name, as we have a table and it's available in the second position, so we will give the number 2 to look up the value. For exact match, we will place here 0 to get the exact value, so it will be appear as a employee name. Once we change the ID, so it will give us the name of the employee. So here you can see on the second ID number the Mark Zuckerberg name. So second we look up range is same, but the index number is will be different. Now it's 3, and we got the joining date. The third third we look up is we are taking from the employee name, so the column index number will be changed and the range also change. It will be B62 B16, and the column index number is here as a 3 because we take the table from the B column, so it will be considered third column number from the table. So for salary, we need to apply. Here you can see all the information is the same. Now we look up is search key is we are taking it as an employee. If we select the range from the A, so it will be wrong because we need to select the column where we have the lookup value in first column. So here you can see B6 to E16, and here column number for this selection it will be 4. If we place 5, so it will be wrong, and you can see it's done. So once we change it here, we can get all the relevant value for the ID and the employee name accordingly. Going to second example, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. In second example, before double look, we have to look up apply in total as previous one formula. The column index number is 8. Here you can see for double VLOOKUP we will use match formula. So match formula will give us the column index number for the employee and for the month. So for Jan, we have a column index number 2. We will require in sales cell. So we will merge the VLOOKUP and match formula. So VLOOKUP value will be employee name, and range will be same from A5 to H15, and index number we will use find out with the match formula. Match key is we will select the month and the range from A to G, and search the exact value. then for the VLOOKUP exact value, and we will get the exact number. So here you can see March and the employee name, second employee for the March. So 934 is the exact number, 934. This is the double VLOOKUP value formula, and the most important video is change variable VLOOKUP method. The change variable VLOOKUP method link is available in the description and on the I button available on the top. So don't forget to like this video, give your comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. I really recommend you to watch this video. In this video you can get the data with the single formula by dragging top to bottom, left to right for all the sheets, just by a single formula. So watch this video, link on the right top with the I button and in the description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.